You sure you don't want to come, bro? I think I found it. So keep these points in mind. There's a eucalyptus. I mean, there's another one there, but that one right there. So that would have been where the guy was walking down, right there. There's a eucalyptus. I think that the buildings, the long skinny ones, were right here. I think that's the uke, and I think we're down in here somewhere. I think right down in here is where that privy might be. Right in this area, which is exactly where I thought it was. I think they stood right here on this road and took this picture. So watch this. If I walk straight, there's a eucalyptus and there's a eucalyptus. I'm not sure which one. This could be the uke. And if I walk straight up into this, bro, you got to get here. Unless you're dying. Look at that eucalyptus right there. I think, there's a cut right here. And this is all flat in here. All right. This is fun. So I am doing, thanks to my friend Trevor, who has been doing some online research, we are trying to find an old neighborhood that has long since been eaten back up by the mountain. And I don't know if you can tell or not, but that's a road right there. It goes up and around. There's another road down there. That's a road right there. This eucalyptus tree, I think, has significance. And I think right in here is what I'm looking for. Right in here. And I think really what I'm looking for, which is an old privy, an old shitter, is right in here somewhere. We are trying to find old bottles and anything old, but I think we're on it. Okay, so I always thought that road was the road on the old maps. Now I'm thinking, in fact, I know, because there's a sewer access to an old brick sewer, like, you know, late 1800s, early 1900s sewer. You can stand up in it right there, and the road goes up. The other road's down there, the new road. This has been cut more recently. This is the old road. I'm standing on it right here. And it probably met up with what is now the new road over there. But this is the old road. Check out my little buddy. What are you doing? Okay, see behind me? I'm standing where that guy was, I think. I know it doesn't look like it, but that's a road right there. And it goes like this, right here. And there were structures here and up that right there. And you can tell, I think, this doesn't look like a lot, but I think I'm on an old wash structure and I hope, an old privy. I'm still way too shallow because this hillside has fallen down, but hey, this is what makes it worth it. It's probably not that old because it's a twist, but hey, it's fun. Bottle's a bottle. And truth be told, I don't have this one yet, whatever it is. Cool. So that was kind of on top, but it was buried down among these pipes. We'll see what happens. So I'm attempting to document everything. I just found a bottle, which is right there. It was right here. And then now I'm finding burnt redwood. That is redwood. And they used redwood a lot in privy building because redwood does not attract termites all that much. Although, kind of looks like this had it. But that's redwood, folks. And that's a good sign. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I don't know what this is. It seems too intricate to be, oh yeah. So, that's a clasp. That's what I thought. This is too intricate to be plumbing or construction wiring. This is jewelry of some kind. That's a clasp for sure. All right, the sun came out for me. Now you can really see it. That's a clasp for sure. Not, or you know, like a, yeah, hinge. There you go. Better view of it. All right, man, I'm convinced. That's the tree. This is the road. I'm at the crux of the road where it curves the most, right here. So that is the tree to the right of the really elongated building. This eucalyptus right there. It's just bigger now. So the elongated building went back in here. Right? It was there. Right here. Right there, where I'm about to get to, where I'm finding all this pipe and shit that is slid down. Right in here. There's where the fucking hill comes down. It's hard to see, but it's right there. Okay? There was this, the path with the stakes on it is on top of that. The path with the guy standing is right here. Again, the guy on the road is over there. The guy standing by the house in the little path is up there. And then up above him, there's another trail that goes right here. And you can see there's stakes that go along it. It's a steep trail that goes up. That's right there. At the culmination of these two, right there, bro, that's where that fucking privy looking thing is. And the other house, wash house, was right here, which might make sense why there's fucking pipes running down to there. Make sense? Okay, we got round. It's silver colored. I haven't looked yet. This is the fun part. This is the, I'm not sure, and it's either gonna be a letdown, which, let's be real, 97% of the time it is, which makes the 3% all the more worth it, right? All right. Oh yes, I'm in LA. You can hear the traffic. You can hear the kids. Sure doesn't look like it. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna turn this off and flip it around and see what we got. Okay, here we go. It's right there. It was down there. And it's reeded, but I see bronze. No, dude, that's silver. That's gonna be silver, folks. There it is. So it was down there. There she is. Oh, that's very silver. See the eagle. Let's get her wet. Of course, squirt bottle isn't gonna work. All right, what do we got? Ooh, that's silver. $19.37, baby. All right, persistence pays. All right, there she is. It's the mint mark. Yes, I'm cleaning it, people. I don't care. The mint mint mark. No, no mint mark. Philadelphia. Interesting. Mostly San Francisco's out here, but she's pretty, or he's pretty, or whatever you want to call it. Boom. You never know what you're gonna find in the hills. I mean, we all know there's been serial killers around here. To find a decapitated head, I'm telling you, man, you got to be careful these days. Whew. Surface finds. I mean, it's crazy because you never know. I swear I've been here before, but I mean, that is circle, if I've ever seen it. Nothing really written on it, but watch this. Huh. What is that? I mean, what the? That thing is freaking cool. Dude. What is that? Alright, I gotta look this up. Hopefully Google has some idea. Well, this will be my second one of these, if it is what I think it is. And it is. Oh yeah. Cool. It's what I think it is. These are just cool, man. That is a very teens or it's like I nicked it. That's okay. Let's see about this side. I nicked this side. Nope. Y&T. One of these days I'm gonna get a GoPro and I'm gonna start recording my finds live, because this whole phone thing and the phone dying, and this is a cool find. Let's flip it around. All right, where'd it go? Yep, there it is. Okay, so what do you think that is? What is that? From that side, unless you know, it's hard to tell. But when you flip it over, dude, those are cufflinks, and at one time, those were gold plated. So cool. I get it. It's just, they're just pieces of metal, not worth a dime. But to me, that's just cool as hell. So you can see that right there, right here's the hinge, right? And that connected, these connect. And so this was a two-sided cufflink, and that hinged over. You would slip it into your sleeve and then flip that back over. And those are your cufflinks. And I wonder if, no, they're just a design. They're not. It's a design. It's not. I was hoping for initials. But that's definitely got gold plate on it. Or what's it called? Gilt. It'd be really cool if I could find a jeweler's mark or a maker's mark to identify these, but I doubt I'm going to. Still, just awesome.